Today I'm going to walk you through how to turn a PDF into an Excel file in just a few clicks so that you can stop doing the tedious manual data entry. So this here is SendItSheets homepage, and it's the very first thing you'll see after you log in. And to get started, you first need to select your document type. As you can see here, you have a variety of options, but just for this demonstration, I'm going to stick to Invoice. Okay, so next you select your files. You can select a single file or you can batch process up to 50 files at a time. And here as well, you have a few file type options as well. So you can extract data from, let's say, a scanned PDF. In this case, you would select a JPEG or a PNG. And if you're a cool person, you can also drag and drop the files here. And once you're done, you can click Process Files. Then the AI will do its magic and start mapping and extracting all the data. This is why there's no need for a template or any manual mapping. The computer is doing all of that for us. So this is the part where you can just take a quick sip of your coffee, and before you know it, Send It Sheet has done its thing and you can view the results. This window gives you a quick summary of the extraction. Some of the key metrics that are helpful is, of course, the total and the confidence percentage. This is how sure the AI system feels about the data mapped and extracted. You can then click close and you will land on the table view, which is very similar to Excel. You have the columns and header structure. Okay, something that I think is really cool, and I'm going to show you right now, is if you click over here, the view icon on the far right, it will display the document, but not only that, it will highlight everything it found. And if you hover over any of the fields, it will show the metadata and how it mapped it. So this should make it very easy to validate and identify any problems in the mapping, if there are any. And it also allows you to do things like remapping, picking the right spot, or if you want to make any ad hoc changes, which is another great feature. You can always edit the data. Let's say I want to make changes to the description. I can do it right here by clicking on the field I wish to modify on the right. And once the changes are done, I can save the changes. And back in the table view, you can see my changes are now visible. We can also make changes on this view as well. So I'm going to quickly delete the changes I made. Okay, we're back to normal. Another quick thing to highlight in case you ever upload large volumes of data is that you can always filter and search for any field that you need. There's a lot more you can do here, but if things look good and you just want to get your data into Excel so that you can continue with your work, click on the download button and select the file you need. We have a few options here as well. I'll click on the CSV, and just like that, your data is now in Excel. Thank you for watching.